Hi, my name's Jess. I'm a teacher. Welcome to English Treasure Kids. Would you like to learn some new words? It's not hard. Let's go. Look at these pictures. The beach is dirty. Ooh. The beach is dirty. The beach is dirty. Now this one. The sand is wet. The sand is wet. It is. The sand is wet. Now this one. The wave is white. The wave is white. The wave is white. Now this one. The sandcastle is broken. Oh no. The sandcastle is broken. The sandcastle is broken. So sad. Last one. The shell is empty. The shell is empty. The shell is empty. See? Okay, now we're going to practice listening. Listen to these sentences and see if you can find the missing words. You ready? Okay. We can make sandcastles on the beach. We can make sandcastles on the beach. We can make sandcastles on the beach. Another one. The waves make the sand wet. The waves make the sand wet. The waves make the sand wet. Last one. I love to look for pretty shells. I love to look for pretty shells. I love to look for pretty shells. Good job! Now it's your turn to practice speaking. Watch this video. I'll say some sentences about it, and then it will be your turn to repeat them. Are you ready? Good! The beach is long and golden. People are playing in the waves. The weather is warm and sunny. It looks like a beautiful day. Now, I'll say them and you repeat after me. The beach is long and golden. Your turn. Good job! People are playing in the waves. You now. Fantastic! The weather is warm and sunny. You go. Good job! Last one. It looks like a beautiful day. You go. Wonderful! Good work, everyone. The beach is long and golden. People are playing in the waves. The weather is warm and sunny. It looks like a beautiful day. Wonderful! Good work, everyone. Now we'll look at the words we learned. Beach, dirty. Sand, wet. Wave, white. Sandcastle, broken. Shell, empty. One last time. Beach, dirty. Sand, wet. Wave, white. Sandcastle, broken. Shell, empty. Fantastic job, everyone. If you liked the video, like it and share it. If you loved it, subscribe to the channel. Bye.